Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color a lollipop and an ice cream poppet. Let's start drawing. First I draw a pop lollipop, starting to draw a small circle like this. Then I draw a bigger circle on the outside. I draw another circle larger than the previous one. Then I draw the last and largest circle. I continue to draw a bow like this. And draw a handle part. Now I'm going to draw circles like this. Let's start coloring this poppet lollipop. First, I use light purple to paint this handle part. Then I color this part sky blue. Then I use yellow to paint. Orange. Finally, I use pink to paint. Our drawing is almost done. Now I'm going to draw a poppet ice cream. Draw a handle part like this. Then I draw parallel lines like this. I draw small circles inside. Look, we are almost done. Now I'm going to color this drawing. First, I use light purple to paint this part. Please like this video to support us. Thank you so much. Then I use this sky blue watercolor to paint. Green. I color this part orange. Yellow. Finally, I use red to paint this part. Yeah, our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.